we have to solve this. Solving this, I'll be using three methods. So let's use the first method before we go to the second and the third. 2 raised to the power of 10 means 2 raised to the power of 10 times 1 plus 2 raised to the power of 10 times another 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Here now, the left hands, we have to factorize 2 raised to the power of 10 out. So we have 2 raised to the power of 10 into 1 plus 1. This gives us 2 raised to the power of x. Now, so 2 raised to the power of 10 multiplied by 1 plus 1, that's 2, 2 raised to the power of 1, is equal to 2 raised to the power x. These are similar bases. When you multiply similar base, recall, when you have a raised to the power n times a raised to the power n, they're having the same base. So it means you represent their one base and you add the power. You add the power n plus n. So we apply that here. So it means you have 2 raised to the power of 10 plus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power x. So we have 2 raised to the power 11 is equal to 2 raised to the power x. Now similar base, so we can now equate the power. So this cancels this. So therefore, you can see 11 is x. Therefore, our x is equal to 11. That's the answer. So this is the first method. The second method is the use of logarithm. Using logarithm to solve it. So, for example now, we still have our 2 raised to the power 10 plus 2 raised to the power of another 10 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Taking the logarithm to base 2 of both sides. So it means because this is 2, so we can make it to be a base 2. So it means we can now say log to base 2 into 2 raised to the power of 10 plus 2 raised to the power of another 10, which is this, is equal to log of to base 2 of 2 raised to the power of x. Now, under law of logarithm, this power can come here. So we harmonize this together again. So we have log to base 2 of 2 raised to the power of 10 as we have done earlier. So 1 plus 1 here, okay, is equal to log. So this x now comes here. X log 2 to base 2. Now, so we now have log to base 2 into 2 raised to the power of 10, okay, times 2 raised to the power of 1, which is equal to x now log to base 2 of 2, that will be 1. So that cancels out. So we are left with this. So when you use the indices method I taught you earlier, this will now be log to base 2. So this will just be 2, 10 plus 1, that will be 11. So 2 raised to the power of 11 is equal to x. Now, this is a power. It should come here also under the law of logarithm. That will be 11 log 2 to base 2 is equal to x. Mind you, this will also give us 1. So in the actual sense, it means we are left with 11 is equal to x. And therefore, x is equal to, we'll be using what we call the Kaddish. We call the Kaddish method. Kaddish method. Let's check it out. So we have 2 raised to the power of 10 plus 2 raised to the power of 10 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. But if you use your calculator to get 2 raised to the power of 10, that will be 1024 plus another 1024 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Okay. When we add this together, we get 2048 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Now, by factorization, this gives us 2 raised to the power 11, and this gives us 2 raised to the power x. So when you have this, that's 11 is equal to x, and therefore x is equal to 11. So that's the final answer. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel. If you really enjoyed this video, please press the like button, press the bell icon so that anytime we release video like this, you'll be notified. Thank you and God bless. See you in another video.